Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the topic issue of debentures. So, the procedure of issuing the debenture is very much similar to that of issue of shares. First, the prospectus is issued in which the terms and conditions of the issue of debentures are given. Then, applications on the prescribed form are deposited with the company's bankers along with the application money. Next, full amount of debentures may be called by the company on application itself, or the amount may be called in installment. So if the amount of debenture is called in installment, some amount may be called on application, some on allotment, and the balance may be called in one or more calls. And according to the Companies Act 2013, condition of minimum subscription applies on every type of securities including debentures. Now, the debentures can be issued in cash as well as consideration other than cash. So, debentures issued in cash can be issued at par, at premium, and at discount, whereas shares cannot be issued at discount. And also, the rate of discount is decided by the directors. And also, debentures can be issued consideration other than cash. We will now discuss the entries based on issue of debentures at par, assuming that the debentures carry 12% interest. So the first entry will be on receiving application money, and the entry is bank account debit to 12% debenture application account, which means the money which we have received on applications are deposited with the company's bank account. So that is why bank account is debited, because all the money are deposited with company's bank account. Next is on transfer of application money to debentures account. So the money which we have received in application is now transferred to debentures account, and the entry will be 12% debentures application account debit to 12% debentures account. Third entry will be on refund of money on totally rejected applications. The directors may reject some of the application, so the amount received on the rejected application is refunded to the applicants who have applied for that application. So the entry will be 12% debentures application account debit to bank account. Next entry will be on allotment money due. So the entry is 12% debentures allotment account debit to 12% debentures account. Next entry will be on receiving the allotment money. So the entry will be bank account debit to 12% debentures allotment account. Now, on making the call money due, the entry will be 12% debentures first call account debit to 12% debentures account. And on the receipt of call money, the entry will be bank account debit to 12% debentures first call account. Similarly, on the second call, when the second call money becomes due, the entry will be 12% debentures final call account debit to 12% debentures account. And on receiving the final call money, the entry will be bank account debit to 12% debentures final call account. Now, the next condition is issue of debentures at premium, which means when the debentures are issued at more than their face value, it is said to have been issued at premium. For example, if a debentures of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 110, then rupees 10 is the premium, which is a gain to the company. So premium is basically considered as the capital profit or gain for the company. Entries for the amount of securities premium will be when the amount of premium is received along with the application money, then the entry will be bank account debit to 12% debentures account. So in bank account, along with application money, the premium money is also included. Next entry will be on transferring the application money to the debentures account. So the entry will be 12% debentures application account debit to 12% debentures account to securities premium account. So when the application money is transferred to debentures account, then only the amount received on application money excluding the premium amount will be transferred to debentures account, and the amount of premium will be transferred to a newly opened account called securities premium account. Next, when the amount of premium is received along with the allotment money, then the entry will be on making the allotment money due is 12% debentures allotment account debit to 12% debentures account to securities premium account. Securities premium account is credited because it is a gain to the company. Next, while receiving the allotment money, entry will be bank account debit to 12% debentures allotment account. So bank account money will include the premium amount also. Next is issue of debentures at discount, which means when the debenture is issued at a price which is less than its face value, then it is said that it has been issued at discount. For example, if a debentures of rupees 100 is issued at rupees 90, then rupees 10 is the discount, which is a loss to the company. Now, the last topic is issue of debentures for consideration other than cash, which means when the company purchases some assets from the vendor and instead of paying the vendor in cash, the company decides to issue the debentures to the vendor in payment of purchase consideration. So, such an issue of debentures to vendor is known as issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. So following are the entries will be passed for this purpose. Now on purchase of asset, entry will be asset account debit to vendor's account. Next is issue of debentures to the vendor at par. So entry will be vendor's account debit to debentures account. Next is issue of debentures to vendors at premium. Entry is vendors account debit to debentures account to securities premium reserve account. So when the debentures are issued at premium, the amount of premium is transferred to a newly opened account called securities premium reserve account, and it is always credited because it is a gain to the company. Next is issue of debentures to vendor at discount. So the entry will be vendor's account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to debentures account. Now here discount on issue of debenture is debited because when the debentures are issued at discount, it is a loss to the company and the losses are always debited. So that is why discount on issue of debentures is debited. So in this session, we have learned the entries based on issue of debentures at par, at premium, at discount, and issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. So in the next session, we'll do some practical questions based on these conditions. So that's all for today. Thank you.